Rashad Mccrorey on Beats Africa 92.7 3 FM.
Okay, na ekapemfo no mfebi hwɛ mu no yɛ nananom a na wɔwɔ ekapem ne akwamufo na ntɔkwa esisi wɔn ntam. Akwamufo no wanted to take over the land of ekapem. Yes, so na ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn kɔm akyemfo no na wɔn ba na wɔbɛboa wɔn. So akyemfo no baeɛ no, wɔn bɛboa wɔn ma wɔn tumi defeat akwamufo no. But na ekapemfo no sure say akyemfo no esan go back to wherever they came from. The Akonos will come back and fight them again. So omo decided say omo bema omo baby atena. Na senya omo betimi aboa omo na omo protect the land of Akropong. Nti omo ma omo Akropong, ekro a yefrɛ no Akropong no, ɛhɔ na omo de akyemfo no ɛma omo so omo tena so. Na akyemfo those days no na yɛka akyemfo na they were very powerful. They are very powerful. They have the resources in terms of money, in terms of weapons, in terms of warriors. They had it all. So for them to be able to stay, na was say if workers will be obi ntena on chain as nipa na powerful, you make the person your leader. That means whenever you are going for war, the person has to lead you. Because they have it. They have everything. They have the resources, the warriors and everything. So that's how come the Akropong ended up becoming the rulers of Akropong. So we have the Akropong man, who is also the Akropong chief, the chief of Akropong. He is the Omahene of Akropong, the whole of Akropong, all the 17 towns in Akropong. He rules over all of it. So the other chiefs in the towns pay allegiance to the Akropong.
Oh, Madasi, thank you for keeping your time. So please, tell us about the breaking of the yam. Like, what is that tradition?
Okay, so the breaking of the yam is called kubi in our dialect. They start around 9 a.m. on Tuesday, but then before then, Monday, they go to the ancestral forest to clear the path so that on Tuesday they'll be able to take the Odwira to the king's palace. So they go around 1 p.m. to clear the path. That will make them able to take the Odwira on Tuesday from the ancestral forest to the king's palace. So on Tuesday morning, they are supposed to break the yam known as the kubi, so that we will be able to outdoor the new yam, so that we'll be able to eat the new yam for the celebration of the festival. And then on Wednesday, we all wear either black or red for funeral, for departed souls in our houses, various houses. And then we mourn, we cry, but we don't pound fufu on Wednesdays. It is our tradition. You can eat any other food apart from the fufu. So Wednesday is for mourning of the departed souls. And then on Thursday, you can cook fufu or any other meal that you prefer. It is a day known for eating. It's a didi, that's what we call it in our local dialects. And then around 3 to 4 p.m., every house that has a stool in there will take one person that will carry a food to the ancestral home known as the bemu. So they will carry the food and then perform some rituals for them before they take it to the, let's say, the home of the gods. Yeah. And then on Friday, the king mounts a zebra for the chiefs. Sometimes they carry the chiefs in their palanquins And then on Saturday, there will be health screening. And then the boys and the girls will have their normal time. And then Sunday will be a Thanksgiving service at the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, either Christ Church or Grace Church. And then that will bring the festival to an end. So next year, we'll have an Odwira festival again.